Okay? Clear guys? Yan. Siguro ito, wala rin. Clear guys? So push back natin yan. Ito pa tayo isa. Okay, next. Sino to? TM Rachel. Yan. Okay. So this is within the boundary. Good. Yan ang una-una ko tinitignan. Boundary. Kasi kapag mali ang boundary mo, wala. So nag-sidewalk ka doon. Okay. Okay. So ito guys, anong mali? Tell me. Let me know. Anong mali dito? Draw long and short driveway parking. So, anong mali dito guys sa tingin nyo? Di ba nasa training material to? Anong mali? Sa tingin nyo guys, anong mali? Nandito yan. So yan, no? Dito siya. So, tingin nyo guys. Tingin nyo, tama ba yung gawa ni TM Rachel? Yan. So, unang tingin ko pa lang, ang dami ng mali. Although, ito, yan, tingnan nyo. Putol ang driveway. Pwede mo i-overlap yan. Paano ginagawa? Switch off the other one. So, paano papatayin? Uncheck mo lang. So, kailangan mo magkadiretso yan. Hindi pwedeng putol si driveway. Hindi rin pwedeng putol si sidewalk. So, off mo si sidewalk. Sidewalk, driveway. Off nyo ba? Ayaw gumana. Yan. Pero you can draw them not overlapping by switching off the other one. Yan. Okay. Tingnan natin to. So, mali na to guys. Training material. Ito rin. Quality is good. Then again, mali yung ano. Check training material. Parking and short driveway wala po outside. Yeah, okay. Saan galing outside parking? Oh, merong outside parking. Yan, short driveway. Actually, yung parking lot mali. Yan, so good. Okay, so tingnan natin to. Road and railway. Alam niyo na kung paano ginagawa to? Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, panoorin niyo yung training material. Nandun yun. So, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung tama. This one is correct. Although, guys, titignan nyo to. This could have been done better. Yan, o. Tingnan nyo, hindi pantay ito. Yan. So, pag nagkamali, pwede naman ulitin. Although, tama naman yung ginawa ni Junling Medicino. So, I'll just check. Okay, so delete ko lang to. So, alam na natin may railway. So, let me draw the railway. So, railway. Yan, there's the railway. Now, the sidewalk. May sidewalk eh. So, sidewalk. I'll use S. Okay, kalsada na muna the drawing ko. Road. So, I'm using S kasi putol siya. Okay? Dito nyo makikita yung ganda ng S. Pero ang problema sa S, lampas siya, di ba? Press Y. Pag press mo ng Y, puputulin niya yan sakto sa boundary. Next, I have sidewalk. So I'll use S again. So sidewalk. Yan. So sidewalk. Okay lang lumampas, tapos labas tayo dun ulit. Sundan lang natin siya. Yan. So kung makita nyo, pag ginamit nyo yung S, kukunin niya, then press Y again. So putol siya ulit to. Lang medyo pangit. So tanggalin natin yan. Then S ulit. Ito. Let's go. Press Y. Okay. So, dapat yan magka-overlap, di ba? So, press T. Putulin mo to. Make sure na pantay. Yan. T. Okay. Then ito. T. 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 Okay. Kailangan dalawa to. So, kasi magka-overlap, railway tsaka road. So, Control V. So, dalawa na siya. Click ka na isang beses, gawin mong road. Ito rin. Control V. Click ka na isang beses, gawin mong sidewalk. Next. So, Control V. Gawin mong sidewalk ulit yung isa. So, ito, magkakaroon ka ng overlap issue dyan. So, magkakaroon, pag Control T mo, hindi mo may papasa yan. So, may mga problema dyan. Teka lang, kakaroon ako ng overlap. Bakit? Okay. Ayun, may... Okay. Okay na siguro yan. Meron akong post-shift overlap. Yan. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, ang solution dyan, yung overlap. So, shift, click, press N. Shift, click, press N. Shift, click, press N. Isang beses mo lang pipindutin ng N kada 2 layers or more. Okay? Kasi kapag marami yan, nakakalito. So, meron ng overpass 1, 2, 3. So, that's how you do the overlap rule. Okay? Clear? Any questions? Naintindihan na kung paano gamitin ang overlap or overpass rule? Okay. So, yung mga hindi pa pumapasa sa training, siguro yun yung common issue. Or marami. But anyway, sige. O yun. Kung wala nang questions, guys, please go through the training material. If I were you, download the PowerPoint. Tapos, pag open na yung PowerPoint, doon ka mag-start ng training. Kasi kung ano yung nandun sa training test, nandun din siya sa PowerPoint. Klaro? Okay. Ayun guys. Sige. Thanks.